This is Lagos Television, the voice of Lagos.
We are glad to have you join us on the State News at 4 on Lagos Television. I am Aminat Elegushi. Over 200,000 primary 6 pupils in Lagos State participated in the 2024 placement test by continuous assessment scores conducted by the state government across the 6 education districts. Olajumoke Oyeomi has the details.
This placement test for primary 6 pupils transiting to government public junior secondary schools in Lagos State for the year 2024-2025 academic session is part of the state government's efforts to provide quality education for students. Monitoring the conduct of the placement test at some designated center within Ajeromi Felodun, Surulere and others, officials of the Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, led by its commissioner Tolani Ali Balogun, expressed satisfaction.
I've been to about 3 to 4 centers today. We have a calm situation, well organized, but notwithstanding, there are little issues here and there that we are able to curtail. I went to those centers with extra question papers and OMR so that we have irregular peoples who we also want to accommodate in the school system.
I did mathematics, quantitative, primary science, English, verbal reasoning, and general studies. It was very simple for me.
In line with its mission to coordinate and supervise teaching and learning process, management of the Lagos State Education Board, led by its chairman, Akim Shitu, were also at some centers on the island and mainland to also monitor the exercise.
We did a placement exam for students in primary 6 going to JSS1 and just to assess them and know that they are fit to be in those GSS classes. So far so good. It's been well and we're doing well. You understand? So nothing so remarkable, but everything is working well.
The Lagos State government, they really tried and everything was okay. The arrangements, even coming here this morning, the arrangements, those that coordinated the examination, everything, they are all on ground. And everything was going on well.
The placement test is a major requirement for pupils seeking the 2024-2025 admission into the Lagos Model Colleges, upgraded junior and secondary schools, and the first phase aptitude test that will guide for selecting the best pupils. Olajumoke Oyewumi, LTV News.
Perfect Smile Health Initiative and its partners have organized a medical outreach for residents of Onigbongo. Residents benefited from free dental and eye care, malaria and hepatitis screening, as well as other medical services. We have details in this report.
With a mission to deliver free quality health care to residents of Onigbongo area in Lagos, Perfect Smile Health Initiative, in collaboration with its partners, organized this medical exercise tagged Healthy Community Outreach.
It's something we do regularly, but we're looking for a larger community that we know need these services that we are bringing to them. And when we checked around our locality, we noticed Onigbongo community is one of those places that need these services. And we've also realized that when it comes to outreaches like this, dental department is always lacking. We always have the dental department just doing consultation or giving out toothbrush, but we said this particular outreach, we're going to have the dental department doing dental cleaning and giving free tooth replacements to the people of this community that need it the most.
NGO of Perfect Smile Initiative they have the same like minds with us, and we feel that we can collaborate and also cooperate together to do a project like this, especially for the fact that what the cost of drugs and medication is talking about, we feel that's our own way of actually imparting into the community.
Residents benefited from medical, dental, and eye care services, including consultations, treatment, vaccinations, and drugs at no cost.
I did HIV tests, blood pressure, sugar. I would say may God bless them, and they should keep on the good work that they are doing.
It's good they brought it to my community, and everybody is enjoying. You can see the crowd. And I think it's a better health is wealth.
I did some tests, like malaria tests, HIV tests, and I did my BP and my sugar level. I'm here for my drugs. Oh, thanks, smile. Thank you for a job well done. You have been great and good.
If this should be happening, say 3 months, at least it will reduce people dying or people getting sick. And what I can advise is that you should not hide what is worrying you in your body. Now, whenever they call for this, because it's free, we thank the people that brought it to our community, that may God Almighty bless them.
With the aim of serving about 1,500 beneficiaries, Perfect Smile Health Initiative and its partners are addressing the urgent health needs of these residents, thereby promoting their long-term well-being. Bukola Taylor Cole, LTV News.
The Lagos State Football Association and the National Institute for Sports has reached agreement on special training program for local coaches to get certification and license. The partnership marked a new trajectory for football development in Lagos, and it will improve the fortune of coaches by enhancing their capacity to contribute to talent discovery at the grassroots level. We have details in our sport report.
In its quest to improve the football ecosystem, the Lagos State Football Association has entered into partnership with the management of National Institute for Sports to train local coaches. Speaking during the presentation of operating licenses of coaches, Chairman Lagos State Football Association Gafar Ali Ahmed explained that the training course to be organized by the NIS will be for 3 months. Ahmed, who commended the collaboration with the NIS under the leadership of Director General Professor Olawale, says trained coaches will receive LSFA licenses to practice their profession in the state. The LSFA boss explained that the intention is to ensure that grassroots coaches that are not lettered are not left behind by gaining necessary certification to earn the LSFA license.
Majority of our coaches are just operating without proper license. Yes, you have the certification, but are you licensed? So, and it is only the FA that can license the coaches. So that is why the collaboration between the Lagos State Football Association and NIS is a marriage made only for proper football. So as you know, this association has said it from the beginning that it will not be football as usual, it will be football administration as normal.
Registrar of NIS, Belmont Benson, who represented the Director General, remarks that the partnership between LSFA and the NIS is historic, as to set an enviable benchmark for the development of football coaches across the country. Benson commended the LSFA for coming up with a special training program, adding that the NSI will continue to strengthen its partnership with the LSFA for the benefits of football in Lagos State.
We have so many, of our youths that have passion, have skills in, football. But the problem of, those to tutor them has been a challenge. And we don't want a situation like it is in the past for people without, proper training to be taking charge of our youth, especially with the kind of vices that are very common today. So it's good that anyone who will, be taking charge of youth should have some basic training so that we are sure of whoever you are releasing your kids to.
About 52 coaches received license at the presentation ceremony, attended by the board members of the LSFA, executives of the Football Coaches Association, football administrators, and other dignitaries.
For more news, connect with Lagos Television on these social media platforms. Please remember to call Lagos State toll-free lines 767-0112 in case of emergencies